Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Every day, thousands of Salesforce users log in, click the same button, enter the same data. They think they are working, but they are just repeating. Because the real power of a Salesforce was never meant to be manual. Hi, I'm Dr. Rathod, and I help people master Salesforce the way it's actually used in a real companies, not just theory, but a real automation. And starting today, I'm launching a 7 day Salesforce Flow challenge, where every single day I'll show you one powerful real world automation you can build step by step. By the end of these 7 days, you won't just know flows, you will be able to think like a Salesforce admin who builds automation that company actually needs. You will understand when to use a screen flow, record trigger flow, and how to design a real automation system, not just basic demos. So, if you are serious about leveling up your skills, follow this series. Before we start building, there's something you need to understand. What is automation? Automation is the use of a technology to perform tasks automatically with a minimal or no human intervention. In a simple word, we can say automation simply means letting the system do repetitive work for you automatically. Instead of user clicking buttons again and again, Salesforce handle it in the background. Let me give you the real-time example. When you receive a new email, it gets sorted automatically into a folder. Another example is when you pay the electricity bill online, you get an instant email confirmation on your mobile. Or when you book a cab, the driver is assigned automatically. That is just happened because of the automation. In a business context, automation means reducing manual work. It eliminating the repetitive task, it minimizing the human errors and saving time as well as cost. Automation is replacing a manual effort with the intelligent system driven action. Why do we need automation? Automation is needed because business grows, but a manual work doesn't scale. We need automation to save the time, to reduce human effort, to ensure process consistency, to improve customer experience, to scale the business. Hiring more people increases cost. Automation allows growth without increasing the operational cost proportionally. Basically, we need automation because manual work limits growth, but the automation enables skills. And automation saves time, it reduces mistakes, and keep business running smoothly. So that's why the automation is needed. Salesforce provided different tools to automate a business processes. The first automation tool is the Flow. Flow is the primary tool and it is the main and the most powerful automation tool today. And the another one is the Apex, which is the advanced automation tool using a coding. Suppose in a company, whenever a new employee application is submitted, the system should automatically send a confirmation email and it create a follow-up task for the counselor and update the application status. Do we need to do this work manually every time? Of course not. We want a Salesforce to do it automatically. To automate such business processes in a Salesforce, we use something called Flow. What is Flow? Flow is a Salesforce main automation tool that allows businesses to automate process without writing a code. It works on the simple logic. When something happens, Salesforce automatically takes an action. Flow is a visual, low code and designed to reduce some manual work. Salesforce Flow is a powerful automation tool that allows us to automate a complex business processes with using a visual interface without writing a code. It is a part of a Salesforce Flow Builder where we can design our automation using a drag and drop element. What can Flow do? Flow can automatically update records. It creates a new records. It sends email and notification, assign a records to the right team. It runs at scheduled time. It guides a user through a step-by-step form and it integrates with the other system. Salesforce has announced that workflow rules and process builder are being replaced by the flow. Why company uses the flow? they uses the flow just to increase the productivity, to reduce the operational cost, to improve customer experience, to ensure the compliances and scale operation easily. What are the types of flow? There are four types of flow: the screen flow, record triggered flow, auto launch flow, and scheduled flow. Each flow we are learning into day by day. Flow ensures your process run the same way every single time without depending on a people to remember. If you understand when to use each of these, you are already ahead of Salesforce admin. And one more thing, this is not going to be a boring theory heavy series. This is going to be a fast, practical, and the real exactly how automation works in a real companies. We officially start day one from tomorrow, so get ready because we are not just learning a flow, we are building a real automation system together. Thank you.